After exporting your data directly from your in-command display or connected AgFiniti account, you will be able to access your maps using the AgFiniti Mobile app for iPad. AgFiniti Mobile gives you the ability to view and analyze your information anywhere at any time. In this tutorial, you will learn how to view and print your exported data, customize mapped layers, modify legends, create notes, view reports, and use the simple query tools available. If you have an AgLeader in-command display, you will be able to directly sync the data in your display to the AgFiniti Mobile app without an internet connection. For our tutorial, click on the card at the top of this video. If you have an AgFiniti Essentials license, all you would need to do is log into your AgFiniti account in the AgFiniti Mobile app, and all the data in your AgFiniti account will sync for you to view in the app. Once you have your information in the AgFiniti Mobile app, the data is stored locally on the iPad. That way, even if you don't have an internet connection, you will still be able to view and use the data in AgFiniti Mobile. The default map view shows satellite imagery for all field boundaries that you have on AgFiniti Mobile. You will either see the field boundaries or field coins that represent the location of all the fields. The zoom level will be dependent on the number and size of fields and the distance those fields are from one another. With AgFiniti Mobile open, you will see a variety of tools available to you. We'll start in the upper left-hand corner and work clockwise around the screen. Starting with the Field Selection menu, this allows you to customize the information you are looking at by tapping the menu and selecting or searching for the field, years, and operations you wish to view. Moving to the right, we can see the Getting Started guide. This guide is helpful when you're first using AgFiniti Mobile and walks you through connecting the AgFiniti Mobile app to your data, what gestures to use when analyzing your data, defining the connection status indicators, and more. This could be helpful in the field if you can't watch this tutorial as you walk through the process. The next tool will enable you to query by area. The Query tool will allow you to manually draw or select a region on the map to view the statistics for a selected area and compares it to the overall field average. These queried values can be seen in the stat cards on the right. We will come back to the stat cards later in the video. You can also add a note to the map with a text description and even include an image to reference a particular area of the field at a later time. All you need to do is tap the area of the field that you would like to add the note and enter the information, including pictures. With the Print Layout tool, AgFiniti Mobile will automatically create a print layout that includes the queried information and field notes. You can also save this as a PDF file on your iPad, so you can email it to trusted advisors or print to a connected printer. If you exclude either the map or notes from the print layout, just tap on the options on the right to change the layout. Tapping on the Summary Reports icon will allow you to view summary information for any data stored in AgFiniti Mobile. You can choose to limit the report based on grower, farm, field, year, operation, and product. You also have the option to print or save the created report as a PDF file by tapping Print Save. The next item in the toolbar is the Zoom options. Not only do you have the traditional pinch gestures to zoom in and out on a map, but the Zoom tools will also allow you to change between different zoom selections, such as zooming out to your current location, currently selected field, or Zoom World that allows you to see all of your fields at once. Working down the right-hand side of the screen, we have stat cards. The stat cards will display the field average as well as the totals for stats with numeric data and legend for the map selected. If you want to modify the legend, swipe left on the orange header and tap Edit Settings. This opens a new dialog where you can adjust the colors and ranges of the legend, transparency of the label, change the map type, drawing settings, and even labels when in the contour map type is selected. The stats available are dependent on the operation you have selected and will display the default stats for that operation. Whichever stat is selected will be moved from the top of the cards and displayed on the map. In AgFiniti Mobile, you can view up to 6 stats at once. If you want to change the stats, you simply click on Select Stats below the cards. Then you can remove the stats you no longer want to view and select the stats you do want to view. If you have DisplayCast unlocked on your in-command displays, you will have live stats as an option in AgFiniti Mobile. Live Stats displays the location, speed, operation, and attributes that are recorded by the displays connected to your AgFiniti account. You have now learned how to navigate AgFiniti Mobile, view and print your data, customize map layers, modify legends, create notes, view reports, and use the simple query tools. Please review the other tutorials to learn how to use other key features of AgFiniti.